I don't know that it gets a whole lot more comforting than Crock-Pot Chicken and Noodle Soup. Every single bite of this soup is gonna be loaded with hearty vegetables, perfectly cooked, shredded chicken, and of course, my favorite, those twirly little egg noodles. So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is chop up our vegetables. You'll need celery, carrots, and onion. So I'm just mixing these up. And what I'm gonna do is add about 2 tablespoons of water to this bowl. And what the water is gonna do is it's going to help create steam when we cover it and pop it in the microwave. We're gonna cover it with saran wrap and make sure you don't have any holes or anything poking through, because what you wanna do is to be able to trap in that steam, and it's gonna par cook the vegetables before they go into the crock pot. You're gonna pop this in the microwave for about 2 minutes. And what that's gonna do is it's just gonna help the vegetables along in the cooking process. If you were to add them just like this to the crock pot, they'll be a little bit hard at the end, and this way you'll end up with the perfect bite. Now make sure that you use your pot holders when you are taking this bowl out of the microwave. It's gonna be really hot. And what you might need to do, depending on how big or small your dice was on the vegetables, is give them a little taste. They should definitely still be firm, but you should be able to tell that they're a little bit along in the cooking process, not tasting totally raw. If they still taste raw to you, what you'll need to do is pop them back in the microwave for another 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, homemade crock-pot chicken noodle soup for the win. Here's how you do it. You'll start by adding those veggies to the crock pot, followed by some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You'll want to use about 1 pound. Then you'll add the bay leaves, the kosher salt, the black pepper, and the garlic powder. Pour in your chicken broth and give it a stir. Cover the crock pot and cook it on low for 5 to 6 hours or high for 2 to 3 hours. Once the chicken's cooked through, remove it from the crock pot, shred it, and then add it back. Now it's time to cook those egg noodles. You'll add in about 2 cups, give it a stir, cover, and cook for 30 to 45 minutes. If you like your noodles a little more on the al dente side, you're probably gonna like it at 30 minutes. If you like them a little softer, 45 minutes will do the trick. Just make sure that you don't cook it for much longer than 45 minutes or your noodles will start to get mushy. When the time is up, you can garnish it with a little fresh parsley if you'd like, and then it's time to serve. This is the perfect weeknight dinner for when that cool fall weather finally rolls into town, and one both the kids and the grown-ups can get down with. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will link to the written recipe in the description down below. While you're down there, go ahead and click that bell to subscribe and keep up to date with all of the Anthony Kitchen's new recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Okay, are we recording? Okay. As we all know, the crock pot is known. You're gonna add the carrots to a microsafe. Of course, there's a hole in that one. This is gonna help your vegetables to come out. This will help your vegetables along a little bit quicker in the crock pot, and they'll come out nice. What am I trying to say here? If they still taste raw to you, what you'll need to do is pop them back in the microwave for another. Where did I put those pot holders? Okay, make sure this isn't gonna electrocute me. Okay.